Rare images you do not want to miss. These 7 dogs that were stolen from their owners have gone viral after escaping from an illegal transport truck and making their way home. They traveled 17 kilometers together, led by a corgi across highways and fields, and are now safely back with their respective owners. Where in the depths of Dagestan did this guy learn this move? This is just vile. If I were his opponent, I'd have forfeit right there and then. Holy hell. A Magna pinna squid was spotted 8,000 feet below the ocean surface. They are rarely seen and are easily recognized by their massive heart-shaped fins and eerie appearance. Scientists at Eon Systems have perfectly replicated a fruit fly's brain into a computer, neuron by neuron. It started walking, grooming, and feeding, doing everything that flies do, all on its own, autonomously. This photo was taken mere minutes after a fat man was dropped on Nagasaki. Must have been one huge fella.
Fat Man is an atomic bomb, babe.
Now that's just rude.
No, the bomb is named... You know what? Never mind.
Y'all aren't ready for the absolute insanity that is this engine. This is a mud motor, a customized high-performance long-tail boat motor, frequently used for competitive racing or specialized transportation in regions with shallow river systems. According to MTA rules, dogs aren't permitted on the NYC subway if they aren't enclosed in a container or bag, which has unintentionally birthed the most creative and funniest sightings of dogs in bags. The rule exempts service dogs, though. This is how a fountain pen releases ink through capillary action, where ink flows from the internal reservoir down through a feed and along a tiny slit in the nib to the paper. As ink leaves, air enters the reservoir through the feed, creating a balanced, consistent flow. This whale skeleton was found in a rainforest, which means a whale died here, which isn't surprising because a rainforest is not a place for a whale to survive. We're going to look at the luckiest and unluckiest people in the next couple of clips, starting with this guy whose thread was about to run out mid-embroidering. I mean, it was so close it came down to the wire. Literally. Okay, enough positivity. Let's look at some really unlucky clips, starting with this girl. I don't know if it was a good thing or a bad thing that she got video proof of this. If you mix a small solid block of ammonium perchlorate with epoxy resin and copper oxide and then ignite the mix, it produces a high-energy burn with vivid blue-orange flames and particle ejection, exactly how composite solid rocket propellants work in model rocketry. Scientists have figured out a way to make literal human cells play games.
Excuse me? What the actual hell?
Okay, let me explain. This device is the Cortical Labs CL1, a specialized biological computing platform designed to interface with living neurons. It utilizes approximately 200,000 lab-grown human neurons cultured on a high-density microelectrode array to interact with software, translating digital signals such as video game data into electrical stimulation for the neurons, allowing them to learn and respond to the environment. It also costs $35,000. No, my dear viewers, your eyes do not deceive you. This is a real video, and it happened this year just a few weeks ago when Donald Trump served the United States men's national hockey team McDonald's burgers during their visit to the White House. Octopuses generally do not swallow their food whole. Instead, they are sophisticated predators that use a hard, bird-like beak to break apart prey and a specialized tongue-like organ called a radula to scrape meat into small, digestible pieces.